Hey guys, Greg here. This week I struggled even more with the government shutdown. So I'll start from the beginning. This week starts in Lincoln National Forest. Beautiful area. Quite the drive. Also, definitely the snowiest place I saw in New Mexico. It's funny how much weather depends on elevation in the Southwest. Most of New Mexico looks like this, but if you keep going up, eventually you'll find mountain roads that look like this. Fun drive. Next, White Sands. Closed off, although I did sneak over the fence just to get a couple of pictures. Gila Cliff Dwellings, closed off. Although the drive up that road, breathtaking. It was worth it to drive up there even though the actual monument was closed. On to Arizona. Petrified Forest, closed. Grand Canyon, open and amazing. I've been before, so nothing new to me, but it never fails to blow the mind. It's big, and I've never been there in winter before. It gets really snowy, really icy. It was hilarious watching people trying to walk without slipping. After leaving the Grand Canyon, I made my way through the Painted Desert, saw the Little Colorado River Gorge, and Horseshoe Bend, which is part of Glen Canyon. Northern Arizona is quite the sight. Next week, on to Utah. Let's hope the parks are open. So this week ends in Page, Arizona. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I will see you same time, different place next week.